spaceship space. Oh, hi guys. It's Landon, your host from the other episodes, and you might remember me. So, this week we're going to talk about space. How exciting is that? I'm doing all the weather to wait for space. How do a rocket pushes gravity up? The force of gravity pulls small objects to Earth. Let's say there's a bowling ball and a baseball. Which one you need to throw with more force? A bowling ball, because it's much stronger and it's much bigger, so you have to do more force for it. Scientists put rocket in space by overcoming gravity with a stronger force. Rocket burns fuel to make an expanding gas. The force called thrust pushes the rocket up. It's kind of like jumping. Your legs push you up. There's two types of fuel. There's liquid fuel and solid fuel. Fuel is mixed with an oxidizer. There's a liquid fuel and oxidizer. They mix together. There's a little flame and it explodes. Makes expanding gas to make thrust. Solid fuel, it's kind of like fireworks. Some use black powder, others use sugar. The payload is the top on the spacecraft. The payload comes apart at a high altitude. What does the rocket overcome when the launch? Force of gravity and weight of fuel, distance out of space, and the mass of rocket. How does a rocket launch work? The rocket is on Earth, it weighs the most. The propellant mixed with the oxidizer. The connection creates expanding gas. Thrust overcomes gravity. The rocket reaches 100 kilometers above sea level. Whoa! When you throw let's say a pen up, why doesn't it come to space? Gravity, it's not strong enough. So like a rocket, it can overcome gravity. When a rocket flies, there's two at work, gravity and thrust. When you combine fuel and oxidizer with a flame, it can bounce. That's another example for combustion reaction. Setting a piece of wood on fire. Remember, for a rocket launch, this is the order. Oxygen and fuel mix. Heated gas is expelled. For thrust exceeds grownup. We didn't do a chemical reaction, but we did use a rocket. We made a rocket. You're gonna see our rocket fly, how high it went. The cork, take the water bottle, bicycle pump, pencil, X-Acto knife, and cardstock shot. Ruler. That's what we have today. I forgot you need a ball too. Have a grown-up put a nail in the cork, then let it out. Be careful, it might hurt you. Or it might flop off, so it get really bad. Next, they're gonna measure 12 inches. You make a line to draw all the way down. You gotta be careful here. Now you're gonna do it again. Okay. Make a diagonal, like I did. Be very careful. Now we're gonna cut our board. You need to use a grown-up for this, not a kid. Next, we're gonna tape our parts to the bottom. Next on the bottom, we're gonna put this top. We're gonna fill our water bottle 1/4 full. First, you always need to wear safety goggles. Something like safety, like to cover your eyes from it. Uh-oh. I thought I was gonna go off to space. Every science bit is a lesson. Yes, it is. Because we learned if it's too small, the cork is too small. We tried it again with a different cork. This one went much higher than we thought. I did my rocket launch. As we pumped, the air pushed into the bottle. How interesting was that? The air makes pressure and pressure and pressure. Before more air, more energy is stored. When there's too much pressure, the cork comes out and the bottle launches. Wow! Every reaction does an equal and an opposite reaction. Newton's third law of motion. Thanks for learning with me. I'm gonna learn about space tomorrow. Bye bye. Thanks for learning with me and building rockets with me. I can't wait to teach you more about space. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.